Yep.
1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Whoa! Dumped him out.
We'll pull it off later. Ready, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
Coming right at you. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, Daniel, open your feet down.
Daniel, what are you doing?
You ready? Okay, hold on the stick. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Whoa! Yeah!
Yay!
Good job, Allie.
Allie.
Good job, girl. You want to do it again? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Here we go, some more. 1, 2, 3.
Allie, look at Mom.
Look at Mom. Keep your feet up. Look at Mom.
Boy!
Let's go across. Okay, there we go.
Do you like it, Al?
Turn you around.
That's good, Ken.
Make you snowman? Okay. Look, show Mom. Are you okay? Let's go inside and get warm.
Hey.
There we go, look. Ta-da! Come out here. Are those going to be his eyes, guys? No, this side. On this side.
No eye.
I know they go on this side.
Oh, on this side.
We better turn this scarf around.
I'm looking at the snowman.
Allie, can you put it on? Oh no, Kennedy, don't push. Oh. Kennedy. Allie, what happened? What happened? Are we going to make another one later? Huh? Oh, you trying? Pick it up. There you go. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Did we mess up his head?
Maybe we should make another head.
What do you think, Al? You just gonna put a button on it? There we go. That's good.